Hello, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best bread proofing baskets that have been sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. TNELTUEB Bread Proofing Basket Set. Our first option for you gives you the best of both worlds. We love this because it's a complete set that includes a round basket and an oval basket, giving you plenty of versatility for any needs. This set also comes with a bread lame, several tools, and linens to cover the baskets as well. The baskets are Banneton, natural rattan materials that are sturdy and well made. These are some of the most popular materials. The bowls are handcrafted and so easy to use. They won't mold or splinter and they will hold your bread without falling apart. 9.6-inch oval bread baskets and 10-inch size round bread baskets, which hold 2 pounds of dough. With 2 sizes of washable linen, a metal dough scraper is perfect for cutting and transferring bread dough. Scoring lame and 5 blades allows you to make exquisite patterns on the surface of the bread. The baskets are also easy to clean up when you're done with very simple instructions for care. Number 2. WERTIOO Bread Proofing Basket. When it comes to the proofing task, this product from WERTIOO is our best bet. After all, it has all the packages to get you started, from the bread lame and dough scraper to linen liner cloth. Keep this bread proofer in an easy-to-reach spot, and you will be all set for the bread baking process at any time. This Banneton proofing basket, measuring 10 inches in diameter, is the perfect size for baking your favorite bread at home. Having traditional spiral ring patterns, this bread shaping basket lets you end up with European-style loaves. We're also impressed with the fact that it's purely handmade. It's also free from dye and chemicals, having been constructed with natural rattan materials. Plus, it won't produce mold that easily. Our proofing baskets are proven to wicker moisture away from the surface for crispy round crust, less sticky and dustless flour over time, and dough re-releases nicely during the baking process. This basket is designed with comfort and convenience on top of mind. Add to that, this product has a smooth surface and is easy to clean as well. All in all, this proofing tool offers impressive functionality, all at an affordable price tag. Number 3. Bread Boss's Banneton Proofing Basket. Next on our list is a simple 9-inch round basket that is very well made. This is a Banneton basket that is sturdy with rattan materials that are 100% natural. The use and care instructions are reasonably simple to work with as well. This rattan is of the highest quality. It is chemical-free and won't have that chemical odor that some of these have. It is also splinter-free, so you won't have to worry about splintering or cracking the rattan. The rattan is 100% natural from Indonesia. The nice thing about this bread proofing basket is that it is very simple to use. A beginner or an expert can both experience positive results when they use this well-made basket. Made of good quality wood and handle design makes it easy to use without getting cut. Once you get your hands on it, it becomes so easy to use, makes very neat precise scoring, a great little tool for a baker. The set comes with the basket, the liner, and a dough scraper for you to help with your process as well. This company also offers a satisfaction guarantee on their product. Number 4. Doyolla Oval Bread Proofing Baskets. Next, we present you with an oval option. This is a set of 2 because, well, 1 loaf is just never really enough. You always need a backup on hand anyway. For the price, the set is a great value for the money. These are 10-inch oval baskets and they come with the liners as well as part of the set. If you don't want a set, the good news is you can purchase a single basket from the same company as well. These are perfect for artisan bread or any other type of bread baking. The Doyolla Oval Bread Proofing Basket is a great natural woven rattan bread basket suitable for home use or store use. The size is 10 by 6 inch and it can create a perfect size of 30 centimeters high. It is made of natural rattan, which complies with EU food standards and hand-washed with warm water to keep it dry after cleaning. Package included 2 pieces bread basket and 2 liners. They measure 10 by 6 and will fit most homemade loaves comfortably. The rattan is quality and shouldn't splinter or crack easily. The materials are natural rattan and they meet food standards across the board. You can even wash these with warm water but want to keep them dry after they have been washed. Number 5. RORECAY Bread Banneton Proofing Basket Set. A freshly baked bread makes for a delish eating experience, especially when you put an all-out effort into making such an appetizing snack. So, consider getting your hands on this bread Banneton set, and you're all equipped for your next baking project. To start, this set includes two forms, a 10-inch oval basket and a 9-inch round one. This being so, you can create beautiful loaves of bread in different shapes. Plus, both of which can accommodate 2 pounds of bread dough at a time. Our Banneton bread proofing baskets are made of Indonesian natural rattan cane, which are smooth, no splinter, non-stick, no chemical odor and not easy to mold. Moreover, they could perfectly wick moisture away from the dough surface and improve the appearance of the bread. Add to that, this package has all the necessary tools that you need for an easy and efficient proofing process. There's bread lame helping with the expansion of the dough during baking. Then, there's also a dough scraper that manipulates the bread dough and cleans the residue off the surface. Completing the set is the silicone basting brush, primarily used to dust flour on the Banneton. Furthermore, it's also constructed with a natural rattan cane. As it's carefully crafted, this Banneton has a smooth and non-stick surface, with no signs of splinters at all. Plus, it doesn't give off a chemical odor, and it's not easy to mold. It also comes with a linen liner for easy cleanup.